Hey YouTubers, we have a Whirlpool washer that won't spin or drain. When we push in on the little lid switch, we don't hear anything. So we're gonna unplug it and we're gonna be working on the lid switch. We're gonna take out these two Phillips head screws where the arrow points. Here's the lid switch with the cracked plastic case, and we're gonna wrap a couple of zip ties around it, right between the two screw holes. So we're just using cheapo zip tie you get for a few cents. We're going to wrap it around the case. We don't want to wrap it around the arm that moves, just the case, and we want to pull it really tight, maybe even use some pliers to get those two zip ties on there super tight. Kind of see where that zip tie is going in between where the screws go. Put on the second one and we'll get it super tight, and then we'll go ahead and cut off the excess, and we'll put the back in position, put the screws back in, and we are done. Thanks so much for watching.